Acorn knowledge. Pink fairy armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo, or pichiciego, is a desert-adapted mammal with a pink bony armor shell that is native to central Argentina. It inhabits sandy plains, scrubby grasslands, dunes, and spends much of its time underground. It's the tiniest species of armadillo in the world and uses its surroundings not just for habitation, but to hide from many different threats. They are elusive and rarely ever seen by humans, and among the least known and studied armadillo species. Pink fairy armadillos have a silky fur that is yellowish-white in color. They also have small eyes and a flexible dorsal shell. A thin dorsal membrane is what attaches the shell to the armadillo body. The blunt rear of the shell is where a spatula-shaped tail appears, coming from a vertical plate portion of the shell. This mammal is nocturnal and solitary with a diet that is primarily insects, worms, and snails. In particular, its main food source are ants and larvae. The pink fairy armadillo also eats various plant parts, but will only resort to vegetation when other food sources are not readily available. The Mendoza region is known for having both warm and cold seasons along with wet and dry seasons. The temperature ranges are not extreme, which has allowed the pink fairy armadillo to adapt to them. The average high temperature during the warm season would be near 30 C, with the cold season reaching just 15 C. The average low would be just slightly above freezing. The conservation status of the pink fairy armadillo is uncertain and is listed as data deficient by the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. These mammals have experienced a drastic drop in population over the past few decades. Farming activities have generally been pointed to as the main factor impacting the pink fairy armadillo population. However, predators including domestic dogs and cats have also been noted as contributing to the decline. Field sightings are rare, and individual pink fairy armadillos that have been captured in the wild tend to die within 2 days of being removed from their natural habitat. Only one that was held in captivity lived for more than 4 years. The evolutionary distinctiveness of the pink fairy armadillo, their limited geographic territory, existing threats, and rarity make strong arguments to suggest urgent conservation attention. Without it, this species of armadillo risks extinction, especially considering their sensitive nature to the environment they inhabit. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.